And yeah, that totally reached 5 minutes. But anyways, now I have just literally entered the dungeon. This is the part 2, since I literally had that ended. Oh, this guy's already 99% done. Give me stuff. Give me stuff. I'm just gonna offer him a worm. I'm just chugging down flask of life. Okay. This is gonna take forever. You can get a seedy pet from here as well. Or you can just go to that stupid Romeo who's... You know what? I hate this game sometimes. Especially when they make us use shards to buy things. I'm just gonna leave. My phone battery is on 20%. Ooh, worms. Don't mind me. Just gonna go fishing, my guys. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna hit some things with this fishing rod as well. Don't mind me. Hey, what you mean, miss? What you mean, miss? Oh God, I am a righteous anti-fan. Oh damn it! This is the ice worms place. No, I don't have worms. I'm gonna kill you with a fishing rod. I'm gonna kill you with a fishing rod. A fishing rod. You know that sounds cringe. Going to that big lake. That's a waste of time. Ugh, wrong thing. Come you Get wrecked, slime. Ugh. I just want to show you how OP I am again. 77, 71, 73. Ranged attacks is one. I have no idea what the heck that is. But anyways, yeah, I'm one there. Maybe I should just do some wood cutting. Nah, I don't want to do this willow tree. It's a waste of time. Ooh, here's some earthworms. Right next to the... Wait, there's some more. Oh, I hate goldfish. Drop. Go away, Goldie. Nobody wants to see you, Goldie. Hold on, let me just activate. Is that fishing? Oh, here. Let's add some more bonus. Activates fishing. Fishing. Oh yeah, finally fishing 19. That was totally helpful. Medium, medium, medium. Fishing. Only that much, and I never leveled up. You're kidding me. Wah. Fishing is 19. Let's see what I can. Do I have any others? Wait. Drink, 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 drink. I'm getting drunk on anti-poison serums. Yeah, nobody cares about those. From 37 all the way down to 9. All for nothing. I just hate those things. You get them from nature dungeons all the time. I hate goldfish. Anyways, I'm just wasting my time. I forgot to tell you the most important part about pets. I'm gonna cheat. No, I'm not. I need lollies to get shards, and I need shards to get. Otherwise, you can buy. But yeah, you friends. This is in dollars. So if I set there 38 rand 99 for shards. It's insanity. Rock fiend pets. How do they get that? I tried hundreds of times and it took hours and I never got anything. They're some of the rarest. Why am I going there? I'm supposed to go to that new. Oh. First, shut up. I said. There we go. Some worms. Now here are pets. This is the Realm Guardian pet. This is members only. This is penguin pet. This is puppy pet. What?